Hi guys, so in this section we will learn about how to traverse a HTML DOM. Okay, traversing means like you want to go to child node or parent node, or the sibling nodes, like your body, how you can go to his child, or you are at paragraph at this so how to go to traverse to sibling. Okay, so all this thing we'll learn in this section. Okay, so for that I've written this code. So what I declare, this is called div. In this div I gave id called main and have declared this for paragraphs. Okay, and I have declared one method called change text. So by clicking it will change the text of particular paragraph. Okay, so we'll go to change text method. So what we are doing, we are getting element by id. Okay, and we're giving name as a parent. Now parent dot child nodes will give all the nodes. All the node means we have declared only 4 paragraph. But if you go to HTML page, okay, you can load, it will be having white line also. So it is consider this as a child. So if you want to, suppose if you give 2 here and just refresh and change the color, nothing will happen. But if you give 3, you do and just change the color, then this will color. So this considering this white line also as a element. Okay, next thing we will learn, there's some other methods. Let me comment this. Now parent dot first child, so it will go to first child, first element child. So you go here and you click, it will change the color of first child. Similarly we have other thing called parent dot last element child, and we're going to last child, and then we're changing the color of this. Okay, then you load this program again and change color is changing the color of that. Okay, so this is the one way. Now we'll go to other method. So here we found parent. Now we go to child to parent. Here we went to parent to child, now we'll go to child to parent. Okay, so I just set another method called text one, and I'll give an id to one paragraph. Okay, I give one id to this one paragraph. Okay, so now what we are doing, we are getting the element p1. P1 is not paragraph, it's child, and this parent node will give the parent of this child. So now you go and load this program, and what we are doing, that we are changing the color of parent. So parent is what here, parent of this child is this div. So when you are changing the color of parent, it will impact to all child, it inherit everything. So when you try to do this, change color, all paragraph change color will happen. Okay, so this is another way. Now we go sibling to sibling. How we can go to sibling? I'm giving one more id to one paragraph. Okay, so I gave one more id to this paragraph. Okay, so id p1, id p2, and just made this one more function change text to. What I am doing here, I am getting element by id p2. Okay, so I send. Now what I'm doing, next element sibling. So if you see here, so we are p2 is this. Okay, so next sibling will be this one. So when you do what we are doing in their program, then we are changing the color of sibling, means third one. So it will change. Similar way I just comment and just do this previous thing. Previous means first paragraph. So we are finding this by element, and it will change color. Okay, and next what we are doing, we are not doing anything. Okay, so this way you can traverse through sibling also. Okay, so these are the different way, like from parent to child, child to parent, and sibling to sibling, you can traverse in complete DOM. So some more methods are there, but this is the way to traverse. Okay, so you can browse all this method, and how you can traverse through and make like when you're doing some programming or something, it will be very powerful. Okay, thank you.